Today class I am discussing regarding of introduction to Python programming. What is meaning by Python? Where you have utilized Python is a programming language by using in coding you writing any language. Course objectives. What are the main criteria you're using the course objective in engineering field in Python? Why you need in the present scenario in the Python coding? Python is one of the main languaging programming languaging tool is using for artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, even internet of things also covered the Python programming language. The main objective of Python learn the syntax and semantics of the Python programming language, illustrate the process of structuring the data using the list tuples, appraise the need for working with various documents like Excel, PDF, Word, and other documents, demonstrates the use of build in the functions to navigate the file system, implement the object-oriented program concept in Python. Why the module 1, the introduction chapter, Python basics, entering expression into the interactive cell, the integer, the floating point on string data type, string concatenation and replication, storing values of in variable, your first program, disrupting your program. Next, this is the basics of Python basic. Next, I will go for flow control, Boolean values, comparison operations, Boolean operators, mixing the Boolean and comparison operators, element of flow control, program execution, flow control statements, importing modules and ending a program early with syntax exist. The next I will go for functions. Definition statement with parameters, return values, return statement, then the none values, keywords, arguments and print, local and global scope, the global statement, exceptions handling, a sort program guesses the number, textbook, manipulating string. See, next I will go for model 2, list. In the list, I'll be talking about the list data type, working with the list, augmented assessment operators, method example program, magic 8 ball with list, list like types, string, tuple, references. This is covered by the list. Major topic you'll cover by these are the topics. Discontinuities and structuring data. The discontinuity data type, pretty printing using data structures to model real world things. Model 3, manipulation string. In manipulation string is covered working with the strings, useful string methods, project, password locker project, adding bullet in wiki markup, reading and writing files, file, file path, the path module, the file reading writing process, saving, variable with the sleeve module, saving variable with the print, format, functions, project, generating the random quiz file, project, multi-clipboard. Then I will go for model 4. In model 4, I'll be covered organizing files, the subtle model, walking a dictionary tree, compressing the file with the zip file module, project renaming the files with the American style date to European style date, project blocking of the folder into zip file, debugging. What is meaning by debugging means to find out the error in the programming you want to solve. That is calling about debugging. Raising the exceptions, getting the trash back as a string, assertions, logging, ideals, debugger. Next, I will go for fifth unit, classes and objects. Programmer define types, attributors, rectangles, instances as written values, object are mutable, copying, classes and functions, time, pure functions, modifiers, prototyping versus planning, classes and methods. In classes and methods, object-oriented features, printing object. Another example, a more complicated example, the init method, operator overloading, a type-based dispatch, polymorphism, interface and implementation. This is whole fifth unit syllabus to cover the Vishwesvaraya Technological University in Belgaum. This is the major topic will be covered. Once you know very well in the subjects, then you'll be understand these are all the course outcomes. What is course outcomes means once the completed the syllabus from as per the university norms, then able to acquire the knowledge about these four course outcomes, demonstrate the proficiency in handling the loops and creation of functions, identify the methods of create and manipulate the list, tuple and dictionaries, develop the program for string processing and file organization, intercept the concept and object-oriented programming as used in a Python. These are all major course outcomes will be covered from the syllabus. Please go through it. Once you completed the course, you are able to uh, solve. These are all the things. Next, that is very, very important. Programming accessories. See, what is calling about programming accessories or programming after programming practical exams? What are the things you know very well? It develop a program, read the student detail like name, university seat number, marks in 3 subjects, display the student detail, total marks, percentage with the suitable message. This is the program one. Develop a program, read the name, year of birth, a person, display whether the person is a senior citizen or not. The age limit is there. The second one, develop a program to generate the sequence of length, read n from the console. Second, write a function to calculate the factorial number, develop a program for computer binomial coefficient. Read n numbers from the console and create a list. Develop a program to print mean, variance, and standard deviation with the suitable messages. Read a multi-digit number from the console. Develop a program to print the frequency of each digit with suitable message. Fifth one, develop a program to print 10 most frequently appearing the word in a text file with the distinct word with this their frequency of occurrences. Sort dictionary in the reverse order of frequency. Display the dictionary slice. Sixth one, use the string method strip, lean, list of methods sort, append, file method open, read lines, write, develop a program to backing up to given folder, zip file by using the relevant module and suitable methods, write a function named deviant expression with the tags, two parameters a, b, and return a value c. C equals a by b, write a suitable ascertain for a greater than equal to 0. In function d expression, raise the exception for when b equals to 0. Develop a suitable program which reads two values from the console and call the function of d expression. Define a function which takes two objects representing the complex number. Return a new complex number with addition to complex number. Define a suitable class. Complex to represent the complex number. Develop a program to read complex number and to compute the addition n complex number. Develop a program that uses class students which promotes the user to enter marks in three subjects. Calculate the total marks. Percentage display the scorecard details. Int use the list of store the marks in three subject and total marks. Use initiation. USA number, list, store marks, total, used get marks method, read into the list, display the method, display the scorecard detail. See, by using in Python programming to segregate the percentage and the group of the people and to get the results, that is calling about Python programming utilization. These are all the major topic will be covered from VTU. Thank you so much. Please, everybody should be watch these videos and please